Oi, mate. I know they say never to look better than the groom on his wedding day, but the look of this carriage from Loke is hard to miss. The carriage is from Loke's design collection. You get the pomp of an Oxford with the attitude of a brogue. So you punters with no inherent style can still pass for an interesting gentleman while tutting up those bridesmaids. I mean, come on. Half the lads in here just shined up their work shoes. I mean, where else can you have an opportunity to dress up? Listen here, these are made from the Claridge last, which is a classic English style, meaning it's very versatile. And that extra length in the toe, cosmetic only. Just enough shape to make you look like you've got places to be and have better taste than the guy in square toes trying to chat up the caterer. Look at him. And look at the detail in this. There's more punch work happening on this shoe than there will be after the last call with a family gathering like this. It's also got a shadow sole. So it has the look of leather, but with the practicality of rubber. And as always, this shoe has a Goodyear welt, so it's made to last. Which is more than I can say about the vows of these two. Oh God. You're looking at the tan. Obviously, classic, confident, easy on the eye. But if that's not your flavour, they come in black, cedar, even navy suede. Take your pick. Just don't be the bloke who picks the black on black on black and calls it elevated. That's less stylish guest, more recently divorced magician. The tan colour on these is easy to wear, versatile without trying. But if you want to do it properly, try a grey check suit with soft undertones, or a pale blue number on a sunny day. If you really want to outshine the lot, add the belt. The Loke belt is made from the same leather. So when you put them together, it's not just matching, it's curating. Be sure to add 2 inches to your trousers waist measurement so you get the sizing right. Same finish, and it is built to age alongside your shoes as the leather softens and deepens over time. The 2 pieces wear in together, developing the kind of character you can't fake. Unlike your cousin Keith over there with his new hair plugs.
Oi, Keith, you ain't fooling anyone, mate. What are you doing?
Oh. Cut to 35mm, the proportion that flatters, and finished with the same eye for detail as your shoes. That is not an accessory. That is intent. The Loke belt isn't there to hold your trousers up. It's there to hold the whole thing together. Same tone, same mindset. It's about knowing that when your shoes look this good, they deserve a best man. No shoes and no belt on. Now this is a party. I believe that anybody feels the way you do about,